8 herbs that reduce arthritis pain. Arthritis refers to an inflammation of the joints that causes stiffness and pain, especially when you move. This health problem can affect people at any age and is usually associated with other disorders, like those associated with the bones, muscles, and tissues that support them. What are the most common kinds of arthritis? Rheumatoid arthritis is the most common type of arthritis, causing inflammation in the lining of the joints that in turn causes problems with motion, swelling, and pain. This type of arthritis typically affects multiple joints at the same time, and can damage the cartilage, bone, tendons, and ligaments. Another common type of arthritis is known as gout, which can cause tenderness, redness, warmth, swelling, and tremors in the joints. Osteoarthritis occurs when the cartilage in the joints is worn away by overuse, causing stiffness and pain. Tendinitis is still another kind of arthritis that occurs when the tendons become inflamed or irritated. Regardless of the type of arthritis you have, it's important that you consult your doctor first for proper diagnosis and treatment. In addition to your prescribed treatment course, the regular use of certain herbal remedies can help reduce joint pain and improve your quality of life, preventing arthritis from becoming something that impacts your day-to-day activities. What are the best medicinal herbs for reducing joint pain? The following herbs have anti-inflammatory properties that can help treat rheumatoid arthritis, and relieve pain caused by other kinds of arthritis. 1. Aloe vera. For years, aloe has been used in various therapies, both internally and topically. The gel of this common plant is filled with nutrients that promote better health and ease joint pain. 2. Cat's claw. This herb has anti-inflammatory properties that help control the symptoms of arthritis and reduce pain. The Medical Research Center at the University of Maryland has shown that cat's claw can be highly effective in alleviating pain from osteoarthritis and inflammation due to rheumatoid arthritis. 3. Eucalyptus. The leaves from the eucalyptus plant can be applied topically to treat arthritis pain, thanks to their content of tannins, which reduce inflammation and pain. We recommend applying a hot compress made from the leaves and oil to concentrate their effects on the joint. 4. Ginger. Both for internal consumption and external use, ginger has long been known as one of the best home remedies for reducing inflammation and pain caused by arthritis. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that you can benefit from by drinking tea or applying warm compresses directly to the region. 5. Turmeric. This famous spice can help slow the progression of rheumatoid arthritis. According to the existing body of research, its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits are best exploited when consumed orally. 6. Arnica Root. Arnica has powerful anti-inflammatory effects that are highly effective for treating rheumatoid arthritis. It's recommended to apply a compress made from Arnica Root directly to the affected area in order to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. 7. Willow Bark. Willow bark is an herb that's long been used to reduce inflammation. In the case of arthritis, studies have shown positive results in reducing pain from osteoarthritis, particularly in the knees, back, hips, and neck. This herb can be taken orally, either as a tea or in tablet form. Don't exceed the recommended daily amount. 8. Green tea. Green tea's many well-known health properties have made it one of the most popular teas in the world. It can reduce inflammation and may be effective in treating arthritis. It's best to consume this as a tea or use compresses on the inflamed area. It can also help reduce symptoms of patients suffering from osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.